Kasi kami, we conduct hearings din, no? So, that was brought to our attention. And I always say, you know what, with all due respect, the women employees are about 50% of the workforce. The time has passed. Nasasabihin mong hindi ka mag-hire ng babae, di ba? Pasado na yon. Kumbaga, employers know that they need the skill that women bring to the workforce. So it's more of step it up and just bite the bullet and deal with the reality that women have dual roles in society. These dual roles require that they now work even though they still have their motherly duties at home. So nanay pa rin sila, manganganak pa rin sila. Kahit na gaano ka-supportive yung asawa mo, hindi nila kayang kargahin yung baby dun sa tiyan mo. At pag pinalabas mo yan at ganun pa rin sila ko-supportive, hindi rin naman sila magpapadede. Hindi din naman sila nagre-recover, di ba? So, sabi ko, you know, until the time comes na kaya ng lalaking manganak, mabuntis, manganak, magpadede, tulungan, this is not gonna be the end. Kailangan pa rin natin ipagpatuloy to look for what other means can we help the family.